Hi, my name is Mike. Thanks for joining me today on my channel, Technically Church, where I share over 20 years of experience in audio, video, lighting, and multimedia. You can always find out more on my website at technicallychurch.com. Let's jump in. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to route the Behringer P16 personal monitors on a Behringer Wing. Let's get started. So today I have a Behringer Wing hooked up to one stage box, a Behringer S32. Out of that Behringer S32, the alternate port, I have the P16 personal monitor plugged in. So I'm going from channel A on the wing to channel A on the stage snake, and then out of the alternate port to the P16. So the routing on this, if you're used to maybe a Behringer X32, it's labeled as the P16 routing, is a little different on the wing. So we're going to go to routing, and we're going to go to outputs. Now in this configuration, we're going to go to outputs for AES-50A, which is this stage snake that I have plugged in. And your first 16 outputs are going to correspond to the 16 outputs on the stage snake itself. The routing for the P16 is actually done on channels 33 through 48. So it's as simple as unlocking your output screen. Channel 33 output of AES-50A corresponds to channel 1 on your Behringer P16. Channel 34 corresponds to channel 2 on your P16, so on and so forth, where output 48 corresponds to channel 16 on your Behringer P16. So we're going to check, go to output 33 on your snake, and then you're going to go find the source that you need. So let's say we want to route this mic that I have plugged into channel 1 on the snake. I'm going to go to AES-A as the source group, and I'm going to select channel 1. So that is now routed. This input here, channel 1 on the snake, it is routed it to channel 1 on the P16. And you would do your routing just like that, so on and so forth, for all 16 channels. So that's the basics of routing a Behringer P16 personal monitor on a Behringer Wing using a stage snake. Thanks for joining me today. Again, my name is Mike. You can always find out more on my website, technicallychurch.com, or on my YouTube channel, Technically Church. Look forward to seeing you soon.